How you doing, everybody? This is Kurt Henry at the Mortgage Center, and we're mortgage brokers. We work with multiple banks and lenders just to get them to compete for you, to get you the best deal when you're getting a mortgage. And this is a weekly mortgage update just to let you know what's going on in the mortgage market. So in terms of mortgage rates, a good 5-year fixed rate is in around 3.69%. Today, a lot of them are actually higher than that. They were lower, of course, 3 or 4 weeks ago, but those rates have gone up. Variable rate is around 2.6%. I just want to clarify with the variable rate, because now that the fixed rates are higher, this idea of a variable rate is coming to fruition a little bit more, and there's more conversation about a variable rate. So just to confirm, when somebody says that you can take a variable rate and you can lock it in whenever you want, variable rate is prime minus something, which gives you your rate. So the prime rate today is 3% for the banks, and a good discount is around 0.4. So 3 minus 0.4 is 2.6%. Now, when a banker or a salesperson says that you can lock in whenever you want on that variable rate, you don't lock in at the current variable rate. So in other words, if you take 2.6% today on a variable rate, you don't get to lock in at that 2.6%. Otherwise, if you could do that, you would just take a variable rate today at 2.6% and lock it in tomorrow at 2.6%, which isn't the way it works. The way it works is you can lock in whenever you want, but you typically have to lock in for the remainder of the original 5-year term. So in other words, say you do a 2.6% variable rate today. It's a 5-year term typically for a variable rate mortgage, and when you lock in, you would lock in for the remainder of the original 5-year term. So let's say in 2 years from now you want to lock in. Well, that means that you'd have to lock in for the remaining 3 years in that term, and that means that you'd be locking in at the 3-year fixed rate at that time, whatever that fixed rate is that's available at that time. So if you have any questions on that, just give us a call. The number at the office here is 905-436-8010. Thanks, and have a great day.